Have you ever wondered how deeply a cat can love? Meet Toldo, a devoted feline who captured hearts with his unwavering loyalty. When his beloved owner, Renzo, passed away in a small Italian village, Toldo didn't just mourn quietly. Every day for a year, this steadfast cat made the journey to Renzo's gravesite, bringing gifts of twigs, leaves, and flowers. Villagers watched in awe as Toldo's ritual unfolded, a silent testament to his enduring bond. Even in the face of skepticism, Toldo's actions spoke louder than words, teaching us that loyalty transcends species and that love, once given, never truly fades.